is this mascara that has already expired, and you guys, this Spoolie, and I actually bought a replacer, is ginormous. It like goes up. I pulled it over my bum and it stretched out, and it just stayed stretched out. I'm gonna stop rambling and show you guys 4 things that I'll be decluttering. Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobras Nest. For those who are here and new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. I wanted to show you guys a little mini declutter that I'm gonna do. For being a minimalist, I'm actually very private about my declutters. I don't know, I just feel really embarrassed to show anybody things that I like let go of. I just feel like it doesn't spark joy in my life, so why would I want to put that on the internet? But I figured this could be a good opportunity to just share with you guys that. So anyway, because I never declutter, so I figured let's show this rare event. Alright, so the first item that I have is this mascara that has already expired, and you guys know that I hold on to mascara for way too long. But anyway, I started using this up, I think like in August, so I got August, September, October, November, 4 months use out of this one, past its expiry date. And at first I still felt like it was fine to use, so I continued to use it. Not even realized, but after using it for a while, it's like super clumpy and really nasty, and it's like spidery eyelashy, so I was like, it's past its expiry date, it's 2 years old, and it's doing this. I can finally let go of it. I definitely got a lot of use out of it, so thank you. Bye. The next thing that I have is this Spoolie, and I actually bought a replacer for it already, and I still held on to it. I don't know if you guys have seen any of my videos, but I have trouble letting go of garbage. But anyway, this one, the thing here, I've like glued on and off multiple times, and it keeps coming off, and it's like loosey-goosey, and I'm just like, why am I still holding on to garbage? So I'm gonna be letting this one go. And it's so sad because I bought these two. These were both birthday gifts from my Korea trip, so it's really hard to let go of things that were birthday gifts. The next thing that I have is this Ratty shirt that I bought from Net Taiwan, and the reason I'm letting go is because everything wrong with it is wrong with it. Usually I have criterions where I'll like forgive items and I'll hang on to them longer than I should because I'm like, oh, but this, but that. But Fumio Sasaki is like, if it's like not a hell yeah, it's a hell no. So I'll be telling you why I'm letting go of this shirt, and I rarely ever let go of shirts. Like I have like 10-year-old clothes, which I'll be showing you guys in a sec. But anyway, about this shirt, this neck piece, I don't know if you guys can see, is ginormous. It like goes up to here, but it's not like a cute shoulder shirt. It's like sloppy as hell. I bought a size medium, and in the wash it got wasted, so it has like a giant neck. I don't know if you guys can see how huge this neck is, and it's okay. So one, that's what's wrong with it. It was a medium, and it's expanded to like an extra large, but not in like a cute way, in like a you're wearing the wrong size way. And it had a bunch of lettering in the front, and I tried to take it off, and all I did was pill the front, and so it looks wasted, and I don't even want to try to take this off. I tried taking it all off with nail polish remover, and it's hard to see on camera, but you can kind of see where it's like kind of like faded and wasted. So there's that. The other thing is that I don't like the colors, so I know that's really like, oh, why are you being picky? But as a minimalist, I feel like I'm allowed to be pickier, because I feel like since I'm gonna have only a small amount of items, a few amount of items, I'm allowed to be picky. And this shirt screams like, I hate this shirt. Every time I put it on, I feel awful. Usually when I put on a shirt, it takes me a while to decide whether I want to declutter it or not. I'll be like, But this one, I put it on and right away, it's like sloppy as hell. It's the wrong color. It doesn't fit. It's wasted. It's pilled. It has lettering on it. And I'm just like, I absolutely hate wearing it. So I just feel like there's not a single day that I want in the future where I'm wearing clothes that I feel that awful in. So even though I didn't own it very long, I bought it this summer. This was a purchasing mistake, and I've learned my lesson. Don't buy fast fashion. Sometimes it's just not worth the money. Speaking of fast fashion and clothes that I've owned for a really long time, next I have, and the last item on today's list, is a pair of leggings. These are my oldest leggings. These leggings, I think, bought these at the beginning of university or even high school. So I guess these are 15-year-old leggings. I know when I say it out loud, it doesn't sound too old, but that's kind of old to be holding on to something. Anyway, the elastic band finally gave on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see like this pretty like little rippling like effect. I pulled it over my bum and it stretched out, and it just stayed stretched out. I guess finally the band was like, after so many years of wear, it was like, that's it, I'm done, no more. I'm not even like pulling it on, but you can see that it's already a lot wider than the rest of the pads. I think like, I suppose I could try to like DIY it and like take out the stitching and then like take out the band on the inside, but at least I won't be wearing his leggings anymore. This is not my only pair of leggings. I still do have 3 more leggings. I have like 2 cotton black ones and then like 1 Lululemon. If you're wondering how I'll be letting go of things, well, the mascara I will dispose of responsibly which is unfortunately the garbage. The spoolie, I suppose I could try to give it a second use, but I've been trying to give it a second use and I don't know what in the world I could use a spoolie for, so this probably will also go in the garbage. The clothes, I think I'm going to put into like the cloth recycling. Like I will find the right way to recycle it. Since I'm not currently living with my mom, I'm living out, I don't see the point in turning them into rags. But if I was still back in China, that's actually what I would have done with them. I would have converted them into rags and just use it to like mop the floor as I normally would, so they would get a second life as rags. I try my best to not let things go to the landfill first. I try to reuse, upcycle, and things like that. Okay, so there you have it. That is 4 things that I will be decluttering and letting go of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!